Today's project is painting this garage door with a bit of a damage on it. I've just done that big patch there at the bottom with builder's bog to pack patch. So I'm gonna continue doing patching at the bottom there. There's more to be patched and through the middle of the door, and I'm gonna keep you updated through all the work that needs to be done on this door. So all the patching is done. This is the biggest patch on this door. There was a big dent here, so the owner wanted me just to patch it. They don't want to replace this door. This is a rental property. They don't want to spend too much money on it, and that's the all patching I've done so far. Most of the time these timber doors, they get damaged at the bottom like that, chipped away all the timber. Now I'm gonna leave it to dry. After it's dry, I'm gonna give it a good sand and it's gonna be ready for painting. In meantime, I'm gonna do normal gapping, gap all these edges around here where it needs gapping to make this door look presentable. So this is a normal gap I'm gonna use for this job. It's a poly filler. You can get them in a paint store or any other similar normal gap will do. Normal gapping is done, all normal gapped. I have to do the bottom here, normal gapping as well, but before I do that I have to sand this patch, and as always I'm using this scraper and for this kind of work, just to take off the rough part, and then I will sand it with 120 grit sandpaper. This is a 120 grit sandpaper. So I'm gonna give it a good sand. With sanding, just don't push too hard. You're gonna clog the paper. Just do it lightly and everything will come off easy. If you clog the paper, you're not going nowhere. So just lightly, and it's a lot easier to sand. The undercoat that I'm gonna use on this garage door, it's a one-step prep, as you can see. Undercoat is finished and all the prep is done. Now we're gonna put top coats. So this is the top coat that I'm gonna use on a door. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this paint, and there's another one as well. It's just different color. So we're gonna be 2 different colors on it to make it look nice. This is gonna be different color and that's gonna be different color. So we're gonna do this first. So that's why it's gonna be a lot easier to cut in this one here. So here we are, it's all done. It took me like about 2.5 hours to paint this door. 3 coats, 2 different colors, as you can see. Hopefully the customer is gonna be happy. There was a bit of a preparation. As you could have seen, I've done all of that and it came up really nice. Very happy with the results. Till next time guys, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget that guys, please. Good luck and stay safe.